Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a payment gateway in Odoo. Adding a payment gateway is an essential step if you want your customers to make online payments directly through your Odoo website or sales system. A properly configured payment gateway allows you to accept payments more easily, improve the checkout experience, and provide customers with convenient payment options. To get started, log into your Odoo dashboard and look for the Sales app. Go ahead and click on Sales to open it. This is where you'll find many of the tools related to selling products, managing customers, and configuring options that support your sales process. The Sales app is one of the main areas in Odoo where you manage your selling workflow. From here, you can handle products, quotations, orders, customers, and other settings that help your business manage transactions efficiently. Once you're inside the Sales app, move your attention to the top toolbar. There, click on Configurations. This section is where Odoo keeps many of the settings that control how your sales system works, including payment-related options. If you're setting up online payments for the first time, this is the area you'll likely return to often, because payment settings, provider connections, and other sales-related configurations are managed here. After opening Configurations, select Payment Providers. This will take you to the page where Odoo lists the payment gateways that are supported by your current system. On this screen, you'll be able to review the available providers that can be connected to your database. Depending on your Odoo version and installed modules, the exact list may vary, but the purpose is the same. This is where you choose the payment solution you want to activate. For example, depending on your location and business requirements, you might want to connect providers that support credit cards, online wallets, bank payments, or other digital payment methods. Choosing the right provider can help you offer customers the payment options they already prefer. Now find the payment provider you want to use and click Install. Odoo supports different gateways, and each one may be better suited for different business needs, regions, or customer preferences. Before selecting a payment provider, it's a good idea to check factors such as transaction fees, supported countries, currency options, security features, and how well it integrates with your existing business workflow. Installing the provider makes it available in your database, so you can begin setting it up for actual use. Keep in mind that every payment provider has its own setup process. After installation, you'll need to follow the specific configuration steps required for that gateway. In most cases, this includes entering the credentials or connection details provided by the payment service, enabling the correct options, and testing the integration to make sure payments work properly. These credentials are usually provided by your payment service account. They allow Odoo to securely communicate with the payment provider and process transactions correctly. It's a good idea to go carefully through each provider's setup instructions, so everything is connected correctly and securely. Testing the payment flow before making it available to customers is also recommended. You can check whether payments are processed successfully, whether customers are redirected correctly after checkout, and whether transaction information is recorded properly in Odoo. Once that setup is complete, your payment gateway will be added to Odoo and ready for use based on the configuration you've applied. This is an important step if you want to streamline online payments and give customers a smoother checkout experience. A simple and reliable payment process can reduce checkout issues, improve customer satisfaction, and help your business handle online sales more efficiently.